be sure to subscribe to my channel because it's gonna take me 12 hours to edit and film this video. Okay, so here is the before of my room.
Ew, gross. Damn, bitch, you live like this?
I even pulled out this rack that I usually use for YouTubing. I have this section right here which is filled with laundry. This is clean laundry, believe it or not. I even have this giant Daiso bag filled with clothes. Peep at my Attack on Titan merch here. Shout out to anyone who is watching the 4th season right now. Don't comment any spoilers. If you do, I will come for you.
1, 2, 3,
Funky.
Here is my criteria of whether I can keep an item. Number 1, does it fit well? Is this an item that fits like a glove, something that I can walk right out the door with, or is it something that I need alterations? Most of my t-shirts are actually just a bunch of badminton t-shirts. If you did not know, I used to play competitive badminton. For every tournament you participate in, you get a t-shirt. They always never had my size. And all these t-shirts are roughly like a men's extra large or just a men's small, which is just ginormous on me, and I have no other place to wear it besides bed. Also, it's just kind of the fact that if I don't do well in a tournament, I kind of just don't really want to wear either way. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna look at a t-shirt and think, does it fit me? Will I wear it when I play badminton or any sort of other fitness activity? And does it bring back any sort of good or bad memories associated with this t-shirt? If I'm not really fond of any of the t-shirts, I might as well just donate it and give it to someone else who will actually use it. Number 2, is the fabric comfortable? Is this item made of high quality or will it be scratching and bothering me throughout the day? Does anyone else have a bunch of bodysuits that they just never wear? Not because they don't like it, but just the fact that it's a bodysuit and it takes so long to put on and take off when you have to go pee? Because same. I think that means that I should just get rid of all my bodysuits. Number 3, which is Marie Kondo's classic quote, does it spark joy? Do I look at this item and it makes me happy? Or is it just a really bad case of buyer's remorse? Something I noticed is the fact that a lot of the items I have in my wardrobe is actually from this retail store that I used to work at. Honestly, like, it makes me so angry looking back on it because I could have spent my paycheck either in the savings or something else better than just a bunch of clothes that I probably won't ever use again. And I only bought it mainly because of the fact that I had a small discount off of the regular price. And it's just, it makes me so angry because like, that's just exactly what they want me to do. Like, I just fell into the little trap of like buying unnecessary clothes. If you ever work in retail, don't fall for the regular employee prices. Finally, number 4, does it make me feel confident? Is this a piece I wear just because it's trendy, or is it a piece that I actually enjoy wearing and makes me feel really confident about myself? I absolutely love this bodysuit, but I'm just not confident enough to wear it because it really accentuates my my flat chest, which is my biggest insecurity. So I don't know why I bought this thinking that I will pull it off, but it's still, the tag is still attached, so that definitely shows that I'm not confident enough to wear this. And with those 4 points, if there's no definitive yes to all of them, then I'll get rid of the piece. At this point, I realized it was getting really repetitive just showing all my clothes. Plus, the sun in Seattle was already setting at 4 p.m. So I'll do a montage of my decluttering from the last couple of hours into 30 seconds.
On the first day of the year, Dudley Pippin came to live in the city. He said to his mother,
"Nobody knows me here. I don't have a friend. I'll have to tell everybody about myself."
In a little while, Dudley saw the girl next door.
I think that it's really hard for me to get rid of a lot of clothes just because I get a lot of hand-me-downs from my parents. For example, I love this top from my dad, but I've never worn it pretty much since he gave it to me. And it's just so hard to get rid of these items just because I think it's so cool that your parents give you down like clothes that they used to wear in college, for example. And I don't know, it's just like a memento from like when they were my age. I don't know, it's just so hard for me to get rid of like these items. But I know that someone else would probably use it more often than I would if I were to donate it or even sell it. So it's time to say goodbye, I guess. And like, also side note, like it makes me sound like that my dad is dead, but like he's not. He's at home. But like I hope you get the meaning of like hand-me-downs, where I think it's really meaningful to have something from your parents or your older sibling from the past, and it's just like nice to think about that they've worn these clothes when they were your age too. Alright, so this next drawer is the one I'm kind of dreading the most just because it makes me sad to think about, which is my athleisure drawer. Filled to the top, but I don't even work out anymore. It's kind of sad how like I used to be so fit and now I'm sitting on a bunch of food. If you thought badminton shirts were bad, oh, honey. So much more athleisure clothes that I don't wear anymore. Stuck in here. Alright, let's just pull it all out. Hello. We are at the final boss level. I just have to tackle this clusterfuck of a corner. I shoved a bunch of clothes down here, and I also have a bunch of clothes on this clothing rack. And yeah, let's just knock it right out of the park. Okay, let's see what we have to work with here. First item in this pile is my TNA jacket. I love this jacket to death, so I'm not gonna be getting rid of it. I'll be keeping it. I have a random Free People bag. I remember this is technically the very first DIY I ever did. DIY, I say. Basically, I just cut a Target t-shirt in half, made a crop top when crop tops were first starting to like get into my little fashion sense. I don't know. I think at this point it's like pretty much done. I have plenty of crop tops. I have plenty of white tops too. I've had this since middle school. I think it's time to say goodbye to it. This t-shirt is actually my middle school's PE t-shirt. I actually ended up using it for a test run with all my sewing machines. It's just a bunch of knots of like seam now and thread, but I think I'm actually gonna keep it because I still do need to practice on my sewing machine, and this is the only t-shirt that I usually just use. Next up, I have this sweatshirt from Goodwill. Actually, I don't really wear it that often anymore, and I think I have a lot of sweatshirts right now, so maybe I might give it away. And we have another sweatshirt. This was also from the Goodwill. It's actually from the Goodwill outlet to be exact. I don't know, I really like the pattern on this one, so I think I'm gonna keep it. Next up are these penguin pajamas. These are actually Adrian's, and I don't know if I should say this because I don't want him to be embarrassed on YouTube. These are actually his, and I can't really get rid of it. I have this White Fox set, and obviously I just got it recently, and I really like it, so I will be keeping it. More badminton t-shirts. Southern California, Super Regional. Which one was that? I'm pretty sure I did really bad in this tournament, but since it does fit me and it's a cotton t-shirt, I can just wear it to sleep, or I can actually wear it to practice or any sort of fitness activities. Husky badminton t-shirt. This shirt is actually not mine. Again, I'm pretty sure this is Alicia's, my sister, so I don't really have a choice but to keep it. Oh yes, and another Husky Open t-shirt. I'm not really feeling this one, so I think I'm gonna get rid of it. This shirt is actually from Malaysia because I was participating in a tournament there, and my coach, I guess you could say, kind of like our tournament person that we go to, he got a sponsorship for something, and he was able to give us and the rest of the team t-shirts. Even though it's really big on me and it doesn't fit me and I can't wear it to any sort of fitness activity, I will keep it just for safekeeping. Next up in this pile is just a skirt, plain black skirt. It's really cute, so I'm just gonna keep it. I have my only festive sweater, and it says Balalala, because get it, my last name's Lam. I got it from Forever 21 years ago, and I still wear it today, so I just wear it every single time around Christmas, and super cute, super simple. I have another t-shirt that's not mine. I'm pretty sure it's Jared's, but Jared said it's not his, and I don't know who else shirts this is because it's not Adrian's, it's not Bryce's. Bryce, I actually still do have your t-shirt too, but I don't know whose shirts it is, so like, should I get rid of it? Should I not? I don't know. This top is from Aritzia, and I absolutely love it. It reminds me of Reformation, but a little bit cheaper, not that much cheaper. This button up I actually got from the Goodwill again, and I love the little flower patterns. I think I'm gonna save it for a thrift flip though, because it's really big on me and I really want to make it into a two-piece. So I recently got this cardigan from ThredUp, and it's actually from Aritzia. It's super thick, I still wear it, so I'll be keeping it. I also recently got this one, so keeping. Keep. donate. Keep, 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 donate. I think that means that we are done. And with that, I was able to get rid of 11 crop tops, 13 tank tops, 4 t-shirts, 2 button-ups, 9 long sleeves, 11 sweaters, almost all my bodysuits, 7 hoodies and sweatshirts, 5 jackets, 1 blazer, 7 dresses, 6 bottoms, 1 pair of shorts, 3 skirts, 12 pieces of sleeping clothes, 8 pieces of athleisure bottoms, and 9 pieces of athleisure tops. In total, that is 113 pieces I will be saying goodbye to. I wasn't able to film me purging through my shoe collection because I live in an Asian household, and the fact that my mom would for sure slap me across the face if I set foot in this house with a single pair of shoes. Be sure to tune in next week where I give you guys a full in-detail closet tour. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what your goals are for 2021. Bye!